Have you been to Nevada? Not just the casinos, not just the neon, but geysers that look alive, mountains carved by ice, and lakes steeped in legend. Out in the Black Rock Desert, a geyser rises from the earth like something alien. This is Fly Geyser. Born from a drilling accident, its wounds never closed. Hot water still spills skyward, its surface painted green and red with minerals and moss. It looks otherworldly. It looks alive. Further east, the desert climbs into the sky. This is Great Basin National Park. Marble caves twist in the dark below, while Wheeler Peak towers above. Here grow the bristlecone pines, some alive for more than 4,000 years. They are older than the pyramids, older than memory itself. Head south, and the desert bursts into flame. This is Valley of Fire. Sandstone cliffs blaze red and orange. Arches rise like frozen fire. Petroglyphs whisper from the rock. Even at night, the land glows beneath the stars. Then, far to the east, the Ruby Mountains rise. They call them Nevada's Alps. Alpine lakes shine blue among wildflowers. Waterfalls tumble from sheer cliffs, and snow lingers where no one expects it. It is not desert here. It is something else entirely. And finally, the desert holds one last secret. This is Pyramid Lake, a vast inland sea haunted by tufa towers and stories older than the state itself. Blue water stretches toward the horizon, carrying the legends of the Paiute people. It feels timeless. It feels like it remembers. This is not the Nevada you thought you knew. It's geysers and glaciers, fire and stone, mountains and myths. Have you been to Nevada? Maybe it's time to look again. Follow Have You Been To for more hidden wonders, and tell us what should have made the list.